Welcome friends. Today we are going to solve English workshop of 10th standard prose word heritage. Let us start. English workshop number 1. Write the importance of the year given below with reference to the World Heritage Sites. Year 1959. Importance: to protect the temple and artifacts of Egypt, UNESCO launched an international campaign for the dismantling and movement of the temple to the higher ground. Year 1965. Importance: formation of World Heritage Trust to protect historic cultural sites. Year 1968. Importance: the International Union for Conservation of Nature developed similar goals. Year 1972. Importance: the Convention concerning the protection of world cultural and natural heritage was adopted by UNESCO's General Conference. Year 2009. Importance: 890 World Heritage Sites are located in 148 countries. Question number 2. Name the following. A. The country where Mount Huangshan is situated in China. B. The famous dam in Egypt on the river Nile, Aswan High Dam. C. The place where the conference based on human environment was held in Stockholm. D. The country in which the highest number of World Heritage Sites are Italy. E. The body which can exclude a site from World Heritage List, World Heritage Committee. Question number 3. Complete the following sentences. A. The World Heritage Site includes cultural and natural places, forest, lakes, mountains, buildings and cities. B. There were around 890 World Heritage Sites in the world. C. The role of World Heritage Committee is very important. D. The tenure of World Heritage Committee is 6 years. E. We can get more information about World Heritage Site from its website. Question number 4. Complete the following web by giving reasons why World Heritage Sites are in danger. World Heritage Sites are in danger. The reasons are: number 1, war; number 2, poaching; number 3, natural disaster; number 4, earthquake; number 5, uncontrolled urbanization; number 6, heavy tourist traffic; number 7, air pollution; number 8, acid rain. Question number 5. Answer in your own words. A. What are the duties toward preservation of any historical site? Answer: don't spoil the place with garbage and plastics. Don't write your names on that site. You must try to preserve the site. If possible, make the place beautiful. B. Why should we preserve the World Heritage Sites? Answer: we should preserve the World Heritage Sites because these places are valuable for us. It is our heritage, and that's why it is our duty to preserve, to protect that places for long time. See, what is the role of World Heritage Sites to promoting tourism in any country? Answer: the role of World Heritage Sites in promoting tourism in any country is very important. With the help of this committee, any country can get funds for developing the heritage sites. The committee also promote this place on worldwide, so the tourists from all over the world can visit the places. Question number 6. Read the following duties toward preservation of any historical site and make sentences about each of our duties. obey rule and regulations. Visitors must obey the rule and regulations displayed at the entrance. We must obey the rules and regulations displayed at the entrance of the historical sites. Maintain discipline and order while visiting any historical place. We must maintain discipline and order at that place. Maintain cleanliness. Don't throw garbage like water bottles and any empty pouches of snacks at that place. We must maintain the cleanliness of that place. Observe silence. While observing the site, don't make a noise. Observe the site silently. Maintain environmental safety. While visiting any site at that time, don't pluck the flowers from that garden. Maintain environmental hygiene of that place. Protect our country's history or heritage. These sites are very important significance from the historical point of view. So it is our duty to protect our history. So we must protect history or heritage of our country. Question number 7. Complete the following flow chart by choosing from the object given below to show how any site of any country can become a World Heritage Site. Answer number 1. Inclusion of the name of site for the nomination in a tentative list after an inventory in the country or the state. Number 2. Inclusion of the name of site from the tentative list to the nomination file. Number 3. A review of the file including by the advisory bodies. Number 4. Decision of the World Heritage Committee after review of the nominated file. Number 5. Name of the site is inscribed on the World Heritage List after meeting the criteria. Number 8. Match the pairs to define different roles of the World Heritage Sites. Number 1. Identify cultural and natural site. B. Of outstanding universal value across countries. Number 2. Identify site of H. Special importance for everyone. Number 3. Identify sites that represent, that is G, best examples of world cultural and or natural heritage. Number 4. UNESCO seeks to C. Preserve outstanding site and natural sources. Number 5. World Heritage Site should have I. Relevant development plan policies. Number 6. World Heritage Site should F. Protect these sites. Number 7. World Heritage Site serve as E. An asset for economic development and investment. Number 8. World Heritage Site should be ensure A. Green, local base, stable and decent jobs. 9. It should be at large develop D. Tourism. Find from the text minimum 8 words related to cultural heritage and make a word register. Arrange them in an alphabetical order. Answer: human culture, protecting culture, cultural heritage, world culture, significant culture, cultural sites, combination of culture, cultural places. So friends, you can arrange these words in alphabetical order. मित्रांनो, अशा पद्धतीने आपण या पाठाचे इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप सोडवण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आहे. आपणास हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, आपल्या मित्रांना शेअर करा. अजूनपर्यंत आपण माझ्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर व्हिडिओच्या सुरुवातीला असलेल्या लाल अक्षरामध्ये सबस्क्राईब या अक्षरांवर स्पर्श करून सबस्क्राईब करा व पुढचे नवनवीन व्हिडिओ आपणापर्यंत सहजरीतीने मिळवा. थँक्यू.